Nowadays, vegetarian diets continue to increase in popularity. It also gives multi-benefits for the body health. However, you should know how to make healthy vegetarian meals. Here are some tips for make them better. Number 1. Include a plant-based protein in all meals and snacks. Think nuts, seeds, legumes, tofu, tempeh, corn, seitan, milk, yogurt, and cheese. If some of these ingredients are new to you, invest in a good vegetarian cookbook or cooking classes to learn how to use them. Number 2. Make vegetables the star of your dish and serve meat on the side for non-vegetarian family members. Number 3. Meals like burgers, tacos, and baked potatoes, where family members can mix and match ingredients from the table to assemble their own servings, are great options. Number 4. Add nuts, seeds, or canned beans to salads and stir fries. Number 5. Include plenty of colorful veggies in meals to make them more appetizing. Number 6. Include eggs in meals to boost your child's overall protein, vitamin B12, and zinc intake. Number 7. Snack on dairy foods and drink more milk. Milk, yogurt, and cheese are packed with protein, vitamin D, and calcium, and support healthy bone growth and strength. Number 8. Add herbs and spices to meals for a flavor boost. Harissa added to yogurt is a taste sensation. Number 9. Aid iron absorption by adding tomatoes, capsicum, or lemon juice to leafy green vegetables. Number 10. Include plenty of whole grains for nutrition and satisfaction. Quinoa, barley, oats, bulgur, brown rice, and millet all pack a punch in terms of fiber, and contain good levels of iron and protein too.